Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a fraction word problem. It goes like this. 2 over 3 of a certain number is 36. Find a half of that number. 2 over 3 of a certain number means we don't know that number. So we are going to let that number equal to y. Let the number equal to y. Now, when we come back to our question, they say 2 over 3 of a certain number means of y. This gives us 36. Now, we know of means is multiplication. So, 2 over 3 multiplied by y, this is equal to 36. 2 multiplied by y, we get 2y over 3. This is equal to 36. Multiplied by 3 throughout, we are going to multiply by 3. And to the right side, also, we are going to multiply by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. We got 2y. This is equal to 36 multiplied by 3. I'm going to divide by 2. I'm going to divide by 2. By 2, we got 1. By 2, we got 1. By 2, 1. By 2, it is 18. Now, y is equal to 18 multiplied by 3 is equal to 54. So, a certain number that they are talking about, it is 54. Now, they are asking us to find a half of that number. That means a half of 54. We need to find a half of 54. That is 1 over 2 multiplied by 54. We can simplify here by 2, 1. By 2, we got 27. So a half of that number, it is 27. I hope you understand this fraction word problem. For more questions on fractions, you can check my playlist over here.